People stare at me like a bonfire. People look at you cause your jaw's full of wires. This is my job, why would I retire? You say I fell off, but I promise, boy, I'ma be here for a while. Like bad news dripping from your mama's mouth, I'm super rude. Use up the whole tubaloo, burping fart at the dinner table because her parents are kinda loose, like the kind you probably wanna lose. Dragged down by fate, but still I like to choose. Like when I'm tying off a noose, cause I'm getting tired of you. Always trying to make fake break the rules. That's why I bring all my tools when I'm naked on top of you. And then you carry a tune while I be burying my juice. Yeah, I'm coming fucking scary for you. Thinking I'm sweet like the berry in your juice. I'm thinking you're sweet cause your flavor's kinda cute. Next time I should probably pay you. Nah, put it on my tab. Nah, call you a cab. Nah, hurry up and pack your bags. Nah, just don't forget this, though I probably won't remember. I'm the #1 contender, true bender. Blame you for freezing up my Nintendo so I can watch you get on your knees and blow. So good at Tetris, they call me Nintendo Escobar, cause I play this shit in the back of my car. I got 2 flat screens and a couple of other shits, and I don't know your name, so I just say fuck a bitch.